Hey y'all, don't judge me. I'm trying to do my hair while the food is cooking, but I'm gonna give you the most important information about this vlog right now, just in case you don't stay to the end of the video. Now, the transportation to get from the Miami airport to Ocean Drive, which I think anything involving the word Ocean Drive, behind Ocean Drive, in front of it, above it, below, whatever is involved in Ocean Drive is gonna be expensive. It's a high touristy area. All the Ubers are expensive to and from there. The Uber from the Miami airport to Ocean Drive between 15th Street and 17th Street came to about $60. Just from the airport to Ocean Drive where the hotel was, $60. I chose for us to ride the bus because the bus in Miami, I don't know if it's due to the pandemic or not, or if this is always the case, but the bus is completely free. Now, Google Maps does say that the bus ride is an hour. That is not the case. We were not on that bus for an hour. I want to say maybe 25, maybe 30 minutes. Now, the bus is the 150 bus. The 150 goes from the Miami airport to Ocean Drive. Then you just get off at whatever street is closest to your hotel. Now, some of the Ubers that we took while staying in Miami, they went from $13 to $24. The most expensive Uber that we did have to catch, a $63 Uber back to the airport. But trust me, if I could have figured out how to catch that bus back to the Miami airport, I would have did that because I didn't want to spend $60 or have him spend $60 in an Uber. But like I said, while we were there, we did go to a couple of different places. One was the speedboat tour, the Thriller speedboat tour, which is a really great attraction in Miami. I think you all should try. Kids are not allowed on the speedboat tour. It's $40 a person. The other Uber that was $13 was the one from the hotel to a restaurant called Barton, which is really expensive. I know I do budget travel videos. That is not a budget-friendly restaurant, okay? The food is amazing. The things that they have there is amazing. All of the props that they serve your food on is amazing. But our bill was a little over $400, okay? But I'm just letting y'all know, especially the moms that watch my channel, it's not like budget-friendly. You're gonna have to put some money up, especially if you want to take your kids. The hotel that we stayed at is called the Cavalier Hotel. It sits on Ocean Drive, it's right across the street from the beach, for $165 per night. $165 plus your $25 per day. That's the room, and then the $25 resort fee. There is a $200 deposit, okay? They are going to hold your $200 and give it back to you when you check out or whenever you get it in a couple business days. The hotel comes with free beach towels, beach bed chair thingy. They will provide you that. Also, they will provide you an umbrella if you need it. If you want to sit out on the beach, they'll provide you that as well. This hotel also comes with free breakfast. The breakfast is not at the actual hotel, which is great because you get to eat at one of the restaurants on Ocean Drive. They'll give you a voucher for breakfast. You walk down the street about 2 restaurants from the hotel. It's called Havana 1957. That's where you eat at. video was helpful to you guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, leave me comments, even tips below if you have any, because I am going to make a second trip back down to Miami. Thank you for giving my little video the time of day. See y'all later.